Have you ever wondered what happens inside our body when cancer develops? Welcome to an exploration of the complex world of neoplasia, the process that lies at the heart of cancer's formation. Neoplasia is the abnormal and uncontrolled growth of cells in our body. This new growth, or neoplasm, may be benign, remaining localized to its site of origin, or malignant, which is what we commonly refer to as cancer. These malignant neoplasms have the ability to invade surrounding tissues and spread to distant sites through the blood and lymphatic systems, a process known as metastasis. Now, there are several types of cancer, each named according to the tissue or cell type from which they originate. Carcinomas, for instance, originate from epithelial cells which line our body's surface and cavities. Sarcomas, on the other hand, arise from connective or supportive tissues like bone, cartilage, and muscle. Then we have leukemias, cancers of the blood-forming tissues like bone marrow, leading to an overproduction of abnormal blood cells. Lymphomas and myelomas begin in the cells of the immune system, while cancers of the brain and spinal cord are grouped under central nervous system cancers. Germ cell cancers affect the reproductive cells, and blastomas resemble cells from an early embryonic stage of development. Each type of cancer not only presents unique challenges in diagnosis and treatment, but also requires an understanding of the various anti-cancer drugs available. These drugs are classified based on their chemical structure, mechanism of action, and the cellular phase they target. Cytotoxic drugs, for example, kill cancer cells directly. These include alkylating agents, antimetabolites, anti-tumor antibiotics, and plant-derived products. Hormones and hormone antagonists are used in cancers that grow in response to certain hormones, while immunomodulators enhance the body's immune response against cancer cells. Moreover, these drugs can be cell cycle specific or non-specific. Cell cycle specific drugs target cancer cells at a vulnerable phase in their growth cycle, while cell cycle non-specific drugs can act at any stage of the cell cycle. In summary, the world of oncology is a complex one, filled with various types of cancers and a range of drugs to combat them. It is a field that requires a deep understanding of neoplasia, the process that triggers the uncontrolled growth of cells leading to cancer. By understanding the origin of different cancers and the drugs used in their treatment, we can continue to improve outcomes for patients and advance the fight against this disease. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to cancer.